We will discuss about all about your wallet's menu in your NworldX account. The first menu in your under wallet is the sales match. Under sales match bonus, this is where you can find the available balance, okay, the remaining funds that you have under your match bonus or pairing bonus. If you wish to withdraw it, you just complete your information here, your address, your mobile number, email address, the amounts, and whether it is a debit card or a check. So you just choose from there. Then the moment you have chosen the type of withdrawal you want to make, you can find there the in cash button. Then you just click it and that's all. That's for the sales match bonus under the wallet menu. Now let's proceed with the referral bonus. So you can find here the available balance that you can withdraw from your referral bonus. So this is the accumulated amount available for withdrawal. Now for the multi-level, you can also find here the available balance you have earned from your multi-level bonus. Let's proceed with the GC claim under your wallet menu. GC claim or the gift certificate. This is where you can find the gross accumulated gift certificate amount that you have earned. Remember that every fifth match in our matching bonus, you will earn a corresponding gift certificate, right? And that gift certificate, okay, you can see here whether you still have remaining, okay, whether it is under the first to 20 matches or under the 21st to 30 matches. So since this particular demo account we are using is a US dollar account, so definitely the amount that you can find here is under US dollar. So you will know how much is the total accumulated gift certificate amount from this particular category and also from here. So then the gross accumulated gift certificate amount will be reflected in this area. And also you can monitor your total XR points left and right. And if you want to claim, you can find here the moment you have already an amount of gift certificate, you can just click claim. Then you will email or you will notify the office which particular products you want to get. Remember that the gift certificate amount can be used to purchase products at member's price. The next menu under the wallet menu is the wallet fund. The wallet fund, remember that every time we earn from our matching bonus, the company is setting aside 10% of our earnings that we can use later to buy for our additional package or reactivation package. Okay, so you can see here, you can monitor here from the day that you started earning and your accumulated balance. And once it reaches an amount that is now applicable to purchase an additional package, then you can find here a button, okay, that says buy add package or buy reactivation package. Then once you click that button, automatically you can now claim your code and the products from the office. So these are all the menus that we can find under the wallet menu: the sales match bonus, referral bonus, multi-level, gift certificate claim, and the wallet fund.